This one's for those who love plants but whose gardening skills make even cacti wither. This pot will explain your plant's needs in the easiest way possible with over 70 quirky animations and gestures. That was actually painful. And open the curtains, the child is scared. The built-in 4-ounce water tank is sufficient to keep the plant hydrated for up to 10 days. Additionally, there's an AI that'll guide you with a wealth of sensors and a plant database on how to keep your plant healthy and thriving. It's like having a knowledgeable plant guru right in your home. Go and hug that cutie. It's happy to see you. It's like the 90s Tamagotchi, but way better. Emo is a robot that boasts advanced AI recognition and navigation technology, effortlessly finding his way back to the home station for a quick recharge. This guy respects boundaries with a virtual fence created by laser sensors, so your living room is his playground. Emo sees, hears, and feels, recognizes faces, and responds to voice commands and craves those head pats. Plus, he communicates with a high-quality speaker, learns from his environment, and thinks with advanced AI processing models, giving him a unique personality and charm. To put it simply, now you have your party friend, gym partner, and I'll take a bite too companion. Just don't leave two of them alone for too long. May end in a fight. Does your workspace need a tiny retro touch? What if you put a retro TV on the desktop? I mean, tiny TV. The Tiny TV comes preloaded with videos and works right out of the box. Fun comes when you load your own files. Adjust the volume and surf between channels by turning the knobs on the Tiny TV or by using the Tiny remote control. And here's a little brother that's barely larger than a US quarter. There are 3 buttons in the upper part to change the volume, the channel, and turn the power on and off. Who would have thought it's possible to fit the screen, the rechargeable battery, and a micro SD in such a small body? Is that a console? Why is it so thick then? The truth is, it's a handheld gaming PC that may double as a console. As you can see, it looks like a Sony PSP with those dual Hall sensor joysticks, plastic-style D-pad, and linear analog trigger buttons with LED lighting. There are also usual gaming buttons, including 2 custom buttons on the back of the handheld gaming PC, which can be configured. The 6-inch full HD touchscreen supports both 40Hz and 60Hz frame rates. This means you can play older games on GPD WIN 4, but the top-notch filling actually allows you to play AAA games for several hours on end. I want to play Cyberpunk a little. Oh, is it time to work already? Push the display to reveal a QWERTY keyboard, and don't forget to take some accessories like this docking station and a 4G module. Lenovo Legion has become even more portable. No, it's not about a laptop, but a gaming handheld device. It boasts an 8.8-inch QHD Plus display with 500 nits of brightness. In addition, Lenovo Legion adapts seamlessly with resolutions ranging from 1600p to 800p and refresh rates toggling between 144Hz and 60Hz. The detachable TrueStrike controllers with RGB lit Hall effects joysticks provide precision gaming, while the cold front technology gives efficient cooling for uninterrupted gameplay. Legion Space offers access to a universe of games from Xbox Game Pass to cloud gaming. Last but not least, powered by AMD's Ryzen Z1 series processor, this device promises exceptional performance and extended battery life. Ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Look no further than the OneXPlayer 2, the handheld gaming console that'll change the way you play forever. With its detachable controllers, you can customize your gaming experience to meet your exact needs. And with the power of an AMD Ryzen 6800U CPU and an 8.4-inch 2.5K screen, you'll enjoy lag-free gaming with stunning visuals. But that's not all. The OneXPlayer 2 also features ultra-fast speed and massive capacities, Harman-tuned audio, a smart cooling system, and so much more. Need a job to be done? No problem. Use an optional keyboard and stylus for better comfort. AR is already here, and it's time to revolutionize your viewing experience. With the XREAL Air glasses and nifty XREAL Beam, you can effortlessly stream videos from various gadgets. Seriously, versatility is key as this AR wonder seamlessly connects to phones, PCs, and gaming consoles, leaving no device incompatible. Once you're done with the preparations, enjoy a staggering 330-inch screen. Whether wired or wireless, the XREAL Beam accommodates both preferences, allowing lag-free gaming and smooth casting. Boasting 3.5 hours of playtime, it even functions while charging, reaching 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Unihertz has released a beast of a phone, and I'm not talking about the size. The Tank smartphone boasts a massive 22,000 mAh battery, making it basically a portable power bank with a phone attached. I mean, who needs a charger when you got that much juice? The Tank can last up to 8 days with normal usage and almost 150 hours of continuous talking. But that's not all. This phone is water, dust, and shockproof, plus there's a powerful LED system that doubles as a spotlight or SOS light. With 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal memory, and 108 megapixel main and 32 megapixel front cameras, you'll have everything you need for your travels. Samsung has unveiled 2 phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 5G and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Flip is the sequel to its 4G predecessor, now 5G enabled for faster browsing and streaming, all thanks to the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. This flip phone is all about the style and substance with Flex Mode adapting software to your folding needs, and it even works with YouTube in this mode. Moreover, the camera app operates at new angles to capture every moment. As for the Fold 5, it's the thinnest and lightest fold yet. With its expansive 7.6-inch screen, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 power, multitasking features, and Slim S Pen Fold Edition, it's your productivity powerhouse. Plus, there's an efficient cooling system for all your gaming marathons. Prepare to be blown away by the ASUS ZenBook Pro 16X OLED, a laptop born from the collaboration between ASUS and Intel. This extraordinary machine packs a punch with its unique Intel processor and cutting-edge Supernova system-on-module design. By reducing the motherboard core area, it enhances the overall cooling efficiency, while a liquid metal thermal compound lowers temperatures in high-performance mode. The enlarged touchpad and dial make all the work, either editing or 3D modeling, a breeze. Now check this out. The keyboard lifts to make typing even more comfortable. And let's not forget the stunning 16x10 OLED HDR Nano Edge touchscreen, bringing visuals to life with vibrant colors and remarkable detail. Always taking your laptop with you? You might appreciate this sleeve then. First, it protects your portable device because it's scratch and water resistant. Second, it has enough room inside to store other essentials you need on a daily basis. Is it time to work? Let the internal magnets turn the sleeve into a stand with either a 15 or 25-degree angle. The magnets are strong enough to support up to 22 pounds, so keeping the laptop steady at the same level is not an issue. This is likely the first Lamborghini-inspired gaming keyboard that won't break the bank. The Black Diamond 75 is packed with high-end features, including wireless latency of less than 2 milliseconds, a 1000 Hz polling rate, and DR Rapid Ice linear switches, co-developed with Gatoron for snappy performance. This keyboard not only performs, but also looks stunning, with a transparent case that adds a touch of elegance to your desk, and just listen to those satisfying clicks when you type. Let's bring some order to your desktop with a desk mat. This reversible desk mat features a sleek and functional design that'll power up your devices and declutter your desk at the same time. With a built-in wireless charging panel, the Alti allows you to fast charge your smartphone and earbuds simultaneously. The magnetic snap system on the mat's border makes it easy to attach or detach the charging panel to either side of the mat, giving you the ultimate reconfigurable charging experience. What's even cooler is that you can keep your notes right in the mat. In case you're spending 4+ hours working in front of your PC, you know how crucial it is to find a good chair. This one might be a fair choice. It's fully customizable from the headrest to the footrest. The chair backtracks and supports the entire upper body, plus it'll adapt accordingly to your back's position. And when you decide to change position, snap on the compact desktop with a cup holder and an adjustable stand for your laptop. Now sitting for several hours on end doesn't seem that scary. Oh, you don't want to work at that uncomfortable table? With this portable table, you can study hard while sitting on your fluffy puffy couch. There's no way it won't fit you. You can adjust the length of the legs and the preferable angle of the desk. The silicone baffle along with the stopper will keep your laptop and books in place. There's even a drawer for the office supplies. You still have to work when traveling? You need a secure, stable, and speedy connection, right? The NETGEAR Nighthawk M5 mobile router is going to be your lifesaver. This little device hooks you up with 5G and Wi-Fi 6 speeds no matter where you are. It even offers blazing fast download speeds. What's cool? The router can handle up to 32 devices at once. So whether you're traveling with your work buddies or chilling with your fam on vacation, everyone can connect their gadgets. Have you ever faced any problems while transferring data? Of course you have. low speeds, sudden power loss, and all that spiced up with the SSD hot as hell, DOCKCASE is a completely different story. First, the manufacturer promises sky-high speeds transferring 1 gigabyte in just 1 second. Dual heat dissipation will make sure you won't lose the speed and the device will stay cold. We also appreciate the power loss protection that gives you 10 extra seconds of writing time after power failure. The built-in display shows all the detailed info about the device's state. Moreover, there are a whole bunch of various ports for all your gadgets. Finally, it's so portable you can throw it in your backpack and take it with you wherever you go. Why would anyone need such a small SSD enclosure? Well, it's super compact, it offers USB-C connectivity and intelligent features that redefine portable storage. Its 1.3-inch screen displays real-time drive status, read, write speeds, and data usage. You can access detailed smart data, adjust settings, monitor temperature, and upgrade firmware with a simple button press. Finally, its huge capacity is a massive bonus for content creators, travelers, and professionals on the move. Sitting from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in front of your PC is hard. We're sorry, a lot of bosses don't understand that. Make it look like you're on the job even when you take a break with this undetectable mouse mover. Using this thing's not rocket science. Just plug the device into the USB port and push the button to turn it on. Okay, let's see what's happening on the desktop. See, the arrow moves, keeping your PC or laptop active. It also avoids your status changing to away when you aren't at your workplace. What's cool? It's 100% undetectable, so no one will catch you on your tiny lie. Ditch the hassle of finding time to keep your wardrobe spick and span. Let the LG Closet be your personal stylist. With its steam cleaning prowess, it's like a magic wand that removes odors and germs with a wave. This dresser is also perfect for drying. And why is it twerking with that hanger? Well, this way it shakes the small wrinkles and odors off your clothes. There's even a pants press to add a neat, precise crease to your trousers. Just set all the adjustments on the touchscreen. Is that a whiteboard? Way better! This 75-inch touchscreen equipped with an Intel i5 processor revolutionizes modern workspaces, classrooms, and homes. Whether you're working or studying at home, in the office, or on the go, it connects remote teams and students, enabling collaboration on projects even when some of them are working from a phone or a laptop thousands of miles away. To share a QR code or a link to the canvas, dynamic video conferencing with everyone in the frame? Absolutely! Organized idea management and engaging presentations with annotations? They're all here. And of course, all the apps you become accustomed to using on any other portable device. Okay, but what should your fluffy pup do while you're working? Almost all displays emit harmful blue light. What if you had a tablet with an e-paper screen just like an ebook? Meet the Onyx BooksTap Ultra e-paper tablet. It's way bigger with its crisp 10.3-inch display. Operating on Android 11, it has a powerful system that lets you perform your daily tasks. But its main advantage is its e-paper screen with super refresh technology, which makes it more comfortable to work on. It's easy to write on, scroll through pages, use the apps, take screenshots, make notes, and sign papers, and so on. Moreover, with a 16-megapixel rear camera, it provides accurate document scanning when you need it. Have to type a lot? The stand and the magnetic keyboard are a must here. Easily navigate using gestures and buttons, and you can use the magnetic stylus as well. Your new so-called PC is way friendlier to your eyes. Imagine this. You're about to serve your culinary masterpiece, and you want to add a dash of personal flair. That's where this marvel comes in. It's a wireless inkjet printer that you can wield like a pen, effortlessly printing any image you desire on various surfaces, be it food, your body, paper, textiles, leather, and so on. The ink used is food-grade, safe, and odorless, ensuring your food won't taste like a chemistry experiment. You can print personalized designs up to 1 inch wide and 20 inches long with a precise 300 dpi accuracy. Worried about running out of ink? Don't be. The split ink cartridge can handle a whopping 7,000 prints. That's a whole lot of creativity.